doesn't like free, right? Click on a challenge button and subscribe to my free 30-day real estate investing video challenge. Every day you'll get a video on how I built my business doing nearly a deal per day. It's 2.5 hours of industrial strength training.
You know, right now we are, if you look at overall the investor world right now, if you're somebody that's trying to make a return on investment, there's not a lot of things you could do out there. I mean, you could put your money in a bank account and you're going to
point something.
Well, you're going to go backwards when you account for inflation and all that. The CDs aren't paying anything. All the conventional. The stock market is a bubble waiting to burst.
Well, it's giving away your money to someone else to control.
Literally, and so right now there's a tremendous amount of money coming into the real estate industry. Tremendous amount of money. Now, the reason I love Atlanta so much is that because the money's coming to real estate, it's coming in from a perspective of getting a return on it, okay? And so what real estate has, it has those elements that people are looking for. Number one, our price points are at such, because in a rental-driven market, it's all about the price points. The price points here are such that investors are getting a consistent return, a predictable return, a terrific return as it compares to different parts.
Unmatchable.
No, yeah, compared to anything else out there, we investors love the kind of return.
And we're not talking about after taxes with special tax breaks that real estate also gets.
No, this is just
we're talking straight real return.
Cash on cash, straightforward, no gimmicks behind it.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing is just overall the city. It's a great city to be putting your money into. It's a stable city. It's a growing city. Not too many people are getting away from Atlanta. People are moving into Atlanta. Industry, shops, companies, corporations. So I can tell you, I've been doing this for 15 years here in Atlanta, and I've never seen the kind of demand that we're seeing now from investors, both local investors, regional, nationals. We also have unbelievable amount of international investors out there looking to put their money in.
Well, it's a global marketplace now, so
no question.
The ability, in fact, this is something else that we should talk about, because both you and I believe in systems, we believe in automation, and we believe in using technology at the right times. There's no reason why someone outside of Atlanta couldn't invest in Atlanta.
The interesting thing is that what we're seeing is about 50-50. 50% of the people that are investing in the properties with us are today are local. 50% are somewhere else, because we do live in a world of technology, information, infrastructure. That's one of the things we've been able to develop here. Everything from A to Z, from soup to nuts in terms of what an investor needs to do a deal. From getting a deal to the ability to fix the deal to ability to manage the deal. And so a lot of investors that are not looking to spend an incredible amount of time finding deals, fixing them, all that, those are the kind of things we're able to provide. And in the end, most investors are looking for passive investing. They're looking for a return on their capital, return on their money, looking at something that's appreciating, not depreciating, something that can't, just overnight disappear like some other investments. So this is, from the infrastructure perspective, from the timing perspective, from the ROI perspective, I could tell you, and again, 15 years of doing this consistently, I've never seen anything that's taking place right now.
Well, plus, there's been some big changes that have gone on in the real estate market. This business of investing in real estate, particularly houses and things like that, used to be a mom and pop business. It was just, families and individuals. Today, you're playing in a market where there's hedge funds that are involved, there's companies that are involved. The banks who supposedly were never in real estate are in real estate.
Yep.
So it's a different market. So you have to play a better game, and you either have to be better at the game or you have to be with somebody who's better at the game.
Yeah, there's no question. I mean, in the end, just like in any investment, you want to get a better return. You want to get the right people around you. You want to have the right advice. You want to make sure that you're not doing it from a short term, but from a long term perspective. And you're right. Right now, you have hedge funds coming into cities, literally swooping up all the inventory, and so that that's why what we do is we utilize resources, we utilize tools, we utilize under radar techniques and strategies to go out there and secure the kind of inventory that I think other people just can't do it. I know one individual can't go out there and do that themselves.
Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in a Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.